No, it doesn't have any pocket. Shh. No one cares. Okay. I am choking. Whoa. No pockets. No pockets.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another haul video. So I think it was last year that I actually did a Fashion Nova haul, and I asked you guys, would you want me to do a SHEIN haul? Nobody responded, but hey, me love shop, so I went ahead and I got me some stuff from SHEIN. It's not the first time that I'm buying from SHEIN, but I wanted some t-shirts. If you had watched my previous haul, you see that I'm kind of into t-shirts now. So I got me a whole bunch of t-shirts with some sarcastic statements on there, because I'm very sarcastic, if you guys can't tell. So we're gonna open this together. This came a couple days ago and I'm like, I'm gonna do this for y'all, so I didn't open it. But if you watch my Temu haul, you hear me talk about the packaging. Same packaging, same delivery service, them stuff, everything in one bag. Guys, you're gonna see how much stuff I actually have in this package, in this, how them package it. You guys need to do better. Everything is like stuffed in here. It's not my first time buying from SHEIN, but as I said before, we're gonna jump into these pieces and see how they look. So I'm gonna do a try on, unboxing and try on haul today from SHEIN. So let's jump into it. Let's bust this open. This tight bad. All right, so let's see what we have in here. So the first thing I actually bought is a pair of shoes. That's the first thing that came out. So this, just like Temu, they don't give description. And again, this is not a sponsored video. I will not be leaving link in the description box, okay? But what I can say to you is that this is a black shoes. It's like fur inside. I actually have the blue one to this and it's very comfortable, so I figured I really want a black one that can go with anything. This is good to wear like in the fall. You can wear it in the spring when it's not so springy, and you can definitely wear it in the winter before it starts snowing, I guess. But this is the all-around good shoes. I have the blue one, as I said before, so I'm going to try this on. This is actually a size 40. I think that's its US. Yeah, so let's try this on so you guys can get an idea as to how it's looking. So guys, this is how this is looking. This is it. Very comfortable. Yeah, very comfortable. Let's see what's going on. So this is a t-shirt. As I said before, this is mostly t-shirt. This one, again, no description. But this is definitely SHEIN Kids. So what I did, I actually purchased an outfit, matching outfit for myself and my daughter. This is the short set. We have the black shorts, and this I got for her in five years, which should be matching, which will be equivalent to 5T. So yeah, she got one, and I actually have the same identical outfit, which obviously I'm not gonna try this because it can't fit me, but that's for my daughter. So that's one outfit for her. This is actually mine. So this is the same thing, the heart on the front. Okay guys, so this is how this is fitting. It is not tight, it's very comfortable. Not too short. I think this is the size medium. Very comfy, very roomy, not too big, but not too tight at the same time. So this is very cute, very comfortable. So this is, as I said before, for me and my daughter, exact matching set. So yeah, this is it. You can wear it any whichever way you want it, right? You go well with the sneakers or with a little flip-flop, whatever it is that you're feeling. And guys, don't mind my head from you see my head like this, you know I'm coming from the hairdresser, right? So don't mind that. So let's jump into what else they have. All right, let's see. So here comes the t-shirts. I'm gonna try this one on as well. So this says, shh, no one cared. Okay, so let me try this on and let you guys see what it's looking like. All right guys, so this is what it's looking like. This is also a medium. This kept on the shorts. Again, I like to tuck my stuff, so it'll be more like this. Yeah. Simple back. It's a regular t-shirt. Guys, you don't know how much work this is taking up. Like, I hate trying on clothes, and that's what I do online, so I don't have to go in store to do this because it's a lot of work. See, but you see, you guys deserve this. So I'll put up the hot one right there. I'll do this for you. Look at this part. But hey, yeah, shh, no one cares, so I'm gonna shut up. Okay, so yeah, this is the shirt. This is the medium. I like to cuff my sleeve as well, so I do a little cuffy. This one is not as big to do a cuff, but you get an idea. I like a nice cuff sleeve like this. Like that. And this is it.
Everything, see you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day.
Alright, so let's jump into the next one. And again, and now the shirt. Because of course, it's a t-shirt haul. So that's what you're expecting. Like, no surprises. No surprises. And this one says, this is a little bit bigger. This is actually also a medium. It says, I'm the middle sister. I'm the reason we have rules, okay? You better believe it. The middle sister. Reason for rules. Okay, so this is it. Same size, so it fits the same way. And just a little tucky, not too much. Or if you guys want it a little bit looser, I guess you can get large. If you're my size, and just tie it or something. But this is how this is looking. Please, a little bit. Yeah. Right, so this again is a medium. This is like a pinkish looking color. The other one was obviously a red one. So that is that. All right, let's see what else. My hair is messing up. Again, another t-shirt. This one is in the color green. Let's hear what this one has to say. Again, they're all medium, guys. This one says, there is nothing I can't do. Wait, hold on. I'll read it opposite. There is nothing I can't do except reach the top shelf. Yeah, I can't do that because I'm short. Get it? Get it? Yeah, I'm short. So that's the only thing I can't do. And let me correct that. I can do that when I get the step stool. So, hey, don't feel that important. I can reach it, but for the shirt's sake, I'll go with that. I'll go with that. So let's try this on. All right, so here we go. Guys, I should let you know that all these shirts are under $10. And they're very soft. They're like cotton material. That's how it feels. Very soft and very thick. Like it's not giving cheap. It's very nice. Yeah. So I'm loving these. Do I even need to try all these shirts on? Because they're the same exact thing except for the color and for the statement pieces that is on them, or the what it's saying. So I don't know if I'm gonna try them all on, unless they're a little bit different, which they're not. They're all t-shirts. So let's see how the rest goes. But in the meantime, guys, go ahead and tell me what you're thinking. Do you like these tops so far? They're t-shirts. There's nothing special about them. Tell me about the wording. Talk to me about the wording. What are you thinking about the wording so far? Let's jump into another one. Okay, so this one is great. Material the same way. Feel the same way. This feels a little bit different. It feels more like a little bit of jersey type material, but same medium. So I'm not going to try this on. Thou shalt not try me. Mood 24 verses 7. Okay. Thou shalt not try me. I think you guys get an idea. They're all the same t-shirts, same size, similar style. So nothing magnificent about it. So t-shirt. So let's see the other one. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, it's not just a t-shirt haul. I got jackets up in here. This is a yellow and black jacket. Don't you just love this? Yeah. So this is a large. All right. So let's see, and it has shoulder pads in here. Let's try this over this. Let's see how it's looking. Ooh, feels so good. This feels good. This feels very good. Okay. It's very nice with like a tank top inside. You know, one of those little nice undershirt. Yeah. Very nice. I like this. You can dress this up. I can see myself like in the office with this, or go to church, or if you have a nice formal event that you have to go to. Very nice. I'm loving this. Yeah. So let's see what else is in here. So that's a jacket. Again, they're not giving the description, so unfortunately I cannot say, but yeah, large. I love this as well. Material very nice. Got one more t-shirt. This one is in burgundy, same medium. This feels like the last, like the silk, like the gray one. So it has this feel, still feel nice, but it has, no, it actually feels more like this one. So this one says, if you are shocked by what I said, you have, if you are shocked by what I said, you haven't paid attention to who I am. So if you are shocked by what I said, then you haven't paid attention to who I am. Okay? Period. You don't know me if you're shocked. Nothing what I say, if you know me, should shock you. So yeah, not gonna try this. It's gonna be the same fit. This is also a medium. So yeah, but I bought them specifically for what they're saying. So yeah. And I actually have another jacket here. Now, if you guys actually watched my Temu haul, you remember seeing a bag with this collar. And I remember saying to you that I purchased this. This is like a little jacket. Like, this is like a casual jacket, right? This is also a large. Yeah, no description on here. But the bag I bought was exactly the same color, and I'll put it on the screen for you guys to see. Ooh, this feels so nice, but it's thin. It's not anything. This can't help you in a winter. this cannot help you in the winter at all. This is very nice. Yeah, very nice. It's not a crop top, but no, it doesn't have any pocket. What? I love my jackets with pocket. It's not like, it's giving a little bit of crop top, but it's not crop top, but it's short. It has no pocket. I can't do this. Sleeves are nice and long. I'm short anyway, so there's no way that the sleeves could actually come short. Else we would actually have a problem. But this, I would actually pull this up. I would definitely not close this jacket. Yeah, so this is like very casual. Yeah, I like this. This is the back. I like this. Very thin though, like just pull on and go. This cannot save you from any cold up here in Connecticut. None whatsoever. This is just for style. This is just pull over and go. Okay, this can be worn. I'm seeing this being worn in the summer over a tank top, over a tube top, over like just a bra. Like this is not going to save you from any cold. Okay, so this is very thin material. Like it's a little bit layered inside a little bit, I guess, but it's like, yeah, but I love the color. I love this color. So it's a jacket and t-shirt haul, I guess, right? I have another one. This one is like the yellow and black one. So this is more formal jacket. Same idea with the shoulder pads. It's just like the yellow and black one. So the other one was casual. This one is formal. Fits the same way as the yellow and black one. Yeah, like a little blazer, but they're very thin. So yeah, same color. So again, the bag also goes with this. I don't know, I just like the color. I just felt like it was very unusual. And you can pair it with like black inside or matching color of anything. I'll go with a black. Yeah, I think this is cute. I like the color. The color is what caught me, and I'm like, yeah, I definitely have to get this. And then I saw that. I think I went on SHEIN first, and then went on Temu, and then I saw the bag, and I'm like, yep, this is it. God is telling me to get this, so I got them. So that's that. Okay, so here I have some a little bit more formal dressing. You can actually dress this down. I have this one, and what is going on? So this is like a Jamaican will call it work shirt, but it's like a little formal or like a sheer top. So this, I have the blue one for this, and I have the blue one in large. I chose to go in, it was a little bit big, so I chose to get the green one in medium. So let's see how this fits. Okay, so this is it, guys. I know the medium fits fine, but like I prefer the large in this only because the large gives you more of an oversized look, and I like the oversized. So again, I like to tuck my stuff. So when I tuck the blue and white one that I have, it normally just gives you like a little, you know, you look at something. But this, you can see it's very close. The other one gives me more room. So I guess for these, like if you want oversized, go one size up. If you want your exact fit, then it's true to size. So yeah, this is the medium in the shirt top. It's sleeveless. Yeah, and then you have that open front detail, like the V-neck. Yeah, but I really prefer, I wish I had gotten this in large as well. I just felt like the large at first was like a little bit too large. So I'm like, let me go for my size. And yeah, the medium is okay, but it's for the look that I'm going for is more of a oversized type look. I don't like my clothes being too fitted, because girls trying to lose weight and it's like you know, I'm kind of lazy, but hey. It just depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for a very close fit, then medium, true to size, or small, or whatever it is that you go for, what your size is, would actually fit. My hair is looking so messy. But like, if you're looking for an oversized look, then go one size up, right? So here I have another, oh, this is like a tank top or a tube top. Oh, this big. No, what size is this? This is big. This is like a tube top fitted thing. Oh Lord. This is a medium. Me already said it's so big. This is a medium like tube top. Let's see. Oh, hold on. This is, yeah, this is medium, but it looks huge. All right, which one am back? Which part of the back? It doesn't even show where the back is. So let's try this. Hey guys, so this is it. I don't have on the right bra, so I just took off my straps. But this is it. It is long. Not the look I'm looking. Not what I'm going for. I feel like it could be a little bit closer. But here, I feel like I would like a little something like that. Yeah, of course, wear the right bra. That's first thing. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's a little bit longer than I expected and a little bit loose. It's like, it can, once you wear the right bra, you'll be fine. So it's a little bit like a sheer material. Yeah, breasts look weird up in here because I have the strap, so that's why the strap is actually just tucked in. But this is it without anything happening to it. This is it. So for me, I would just fold the end a little bit. You can even do a little tucky, I guess, like what I normally would do, and get that look. Yeah. So that is it. You can pair this. You can go dressy with this. You can go very casual with this, very sporty. Just depends on what look you're going for. So it's not bad. I like it. The material is not feeling cheap or anything. It's very comfortable, and again, this is very summery. Yeah. So yeah, unfortunately, guys, like they don't give the description for all these. I cannot give the description, but I will definitely be putting the pictures on the screen for you guys to get an idea as to how these should look on the model. Coming on model, so they're gonna look totally different and maybe better on the models than what I'm looking at. Okay, so yeah, but this is it. Oh, you got under here some more. Try to show me up. So yeah, here you go. Guys, you see how many things I already taken out? You see how much stuff I already took out? And there's still a whole bunch. So again, one more t-shirt. This one says, I only use it, sarcasm, periodically. Get it? And then you have the periodic periodic taper, periodic table. Oh my god, I can't speak. So another t-shirt, feeling very good. This is, they're polyester material, guys, polyester, but they feel very nice, very strong, sturdy, comfortable. So this is the beige. All right, I see a fancy top. Ooh, guys, this is giving me fancy. Okay, I hope this can fit. I didn't know it's a turtleneck. I don't like turtlenecks. But this is medium. It's like a formal top, dressy. Let's try this on and see how this is looking. It's white material, very thick. Very thick. Love it. I just don't like the neck. The neck is not giving me. I don't like turtleneck. Material. I don't know. It says polyester. Yep, I picked that out. Polyester and elastane. So let's try that. Oh my god, guys. This was This was work to put on. The neck though. Hold on. This neck. Guys, I don't know why I chose today to try these clothes on when I'm bloated as hell. I feel like I could take like a large in this. Like this has the material stretched a little bit, but I feel like I am choking. Whoa. So let me just want to cut one split in this. I would personally do a large in this. As a matter of fact, I would personally not do this with the turtleneck. I would prefer it without the neck. I love the design of it. I love the artwork completely. This is so cute. Looking at the breast, then the ladies, I'm dropping out. Girls dropping out. I love the art. I love the design of this. I even love the sleeveless, because it has like a little you know, like it looks folded and stuff. I love this. This me the choke. Me the choke. This neck is not for me. But hey, this is it. Yeah, what is it like? Just all my creases. I would take like a large in this if I had known better. And me know I cannot bother to send this out, so I'll maybe give this to somebody or whatever. Now, or wait till I lose some weight to wear this. But like this is nice in terms of the design. The material is also nice. The neck is a no-no for me, and the size I wish I actually sized up for this one. But it's a nice shirt. It depends on you. If you like the turtleneck thing, do you, mama? Do you? But not me. Love the design. Not a fan of the neck at all. I have to take this off. Let me see what else in here for me to take off. I have to take this off. It's another t-shirt. Let me just switch this over real quick. I need to take this off. Me feel like me choke, like somebody has strangled me. Alright, this is another t-shirt. This one feel more of a, what's this? Polyester as well, elastine. Medium, same t-shirt thing. This one says, don't flatter yourself. I only look up to you because I'm short. Yeah. I only look up to you because I'm short. I love this one. That's the only reason I look up to you. Not because you're better than me. No. No, not at all. Gotta take the shirt off. Let's do this. That was killing me. So, yeah. I only look up to you because I'm short. Don't flatter yourself, okay? Don't flatter yourself. So that's a me, though. Me look skinny now in a full black. Can't talk to me.
Yes, I'm an emotional mess.
Can't talk to me. Let's see what else is in the bag. Alright, so this is another t-shirt. Oh no, it's not. Why am I buy them turtleneck something here? What? Okay. This is another dressy shirt. I don't know why I buy it. It did look nice. What? Why? This is like a aqua green looking thing shirt. Also medium. Looking at this, I feel like it will fit, but this neck already turned me off. It has some buttons at the back. I'm assuming, yeah, this is the back, right? A little bit of detail on the back here, and then just plain, and it's sleeveless. So I really don't want to try this on. This t-shirt feels so comfortable. I don't know why I buy this. It did look nice. Let's try. Alright guys, so this is very thick. Feels like it feels very scratchy. Itchy bad. But the material is very thick. I cannot button around here. I got nobody here to help me right now because but this is give you an idea as to what it will look like. I'm not gonna button it even if I could, because it's gonna choke me. It's another one I think I could actually take this in a large, because it's not like it stretches, you know, but like just because I don't like the neck, like no. But yeah, this is a nice like office wear, you know, dress up type look, or church with a nice jacket over it, black jacket or something, or with the detail of it. Depends on where you're going. You may not need even, you don't even need a jacket, right? But this is it. The back, again, no button, but yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Like, it's okay. Let's see if I can find another t-shirt to take this off. And guys, I have the last one. This one is actually a black jacket, but it's a casual one, like the it's like a casual one, like the black and colored one that I saw before. This one is giving a little bit bigger, but this is actually a large as well, but it feels a little bigger. So this is like more off, just like the first one. This dragon and go, but it's a little bit bigger. It feels bigger. It doesn't feel as small as the first one. And again, no pockets. No pockets. No pocket. Why? Why? When you have these cute ass jacket with no pocket, like what's the sense? Who wear a jacket without pockets? Like, who does that? Who does that? Nobody. Nobody. Anyway, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is it. It's the back. Alright, so this is it. We have come to the end of the haul. So I think that was like 13 pieces or so, if not more. I spent over a little bit over $100 for everything here. So it's not bad. Not bad at all. But yep, that is it. Leave your comment and let me know what you think. If you want to see, no, don't say you want to see any more SHEIN haul. Don't say you want to see any more clothing haul. It's hard doing all that. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like any of the pieces that I tried on today, please leave a comment and tell me what you think. Okay, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Tell your friend about my channel, share the video, and get me up to 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost there, not there yet, almost there. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Until later, bye-bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.